All right, welcome to Alaska. Okay, we've got some fun things planned today. First things first though, we're gonna ride in the back of a truck to the school that Leslie went to when she was a little girl. Lincoln's little cousin that's in maybe first grade. She has like a rehearsal for some singing thing. Whoa, the camera just broke. What is it that we're doing here?
Rumpus in the Jungle play. She's in the play.
Rumpus in the Jungle?
That's the name of the play.
Okay.
But the real play is tomorrow, but this is the dress rehearsal because we're going to be busy tomorrow.
Yeah, we're filming a video tomorrow. The main reason why we're up here, and it's the same time as the real Rumpus in the Jungle.
1 ant is so tiny, 2 ants still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all.
High five. Oh, good one. One interesting thing about living in Alaska or in Fairbanks is there are some of the most prehistoric animals that are still alive, that are still roaming the roads here in the neighborhoods. So this is a muskox farm. This is Lincoln's first time he remembers seeing muskox ever. There we are. That's the muskox.
They're hairy horn thingies.
Oh no, Lincoln. Huh. You got it all in right in the camera.
Okay, sorry.
Lincoln threw snow at the camera. I don't know if it's working now. Oh boy, hopefully you guys can see and hear me. We've got an idea. This is like an impromptu thing. He has a giant forklift and he has something inside of that shipping container, not any of these cool cars, but something in there that we think we can make a what's inside video on that we've never done before. Could be interesting.
Sing us a song, you're the piano man.
Grandpa's got something for Lincoln, a special job that's really important this time of year that only Lincoln can do.
Only me? Oh, whoa.
Every year we have moose come and stay in our yard, and they leave their droppings behind. Before we can start mowing lawns and getting the lawn ready, we have to shovel it, and I usually throw them out in the woods. There's lots of woods here.
What happens if you don't do it?
Well, I don't want to run it over with a lawnmower and chop up that. If you want to see what's inside moose droppings, you can do that. I don't do that. You scoop it up and then go throw it out in the woods.
I came to work. I'm here to work.
Oh, don't throw it in the clubhouse, the kids' playhouse.
I didn't make it.
Oh, good.
Clean it up some poo. Ready, steady. Whoa, this one's big.
This is a big one.
That is one big pile of
Poo.
Oh yeah, that's some good stuff right there.
Any more?
Alright, so this is the part of the day where I go on and run an errand for my father-in-law Bill out at the lake, out at the cabin by the lake. It's pretty cool. Alright, I just pulled over on the side of the road. You guys have got to see this. I am pretty sure that we are looking at Denali National Park and Mount Denali? Denali Mount? I don't know the name of it. The tallest mountain in North America, I think. Check out this shot. I am fairly certain that that is Denali. I've been up here for a lot of different times, and usually I've never seen Denali, and everybody always says, they're like, it's not called Denali, it's Mount McKinley. Oh, I'm so dumb. It's in Denali National Park, but it's called Mount McKinley. Oh man, I'm not smart sometimes. All right, back on the road. We're about 20 minutes away from the cabin. The lake is behind me and it is iced over. I've never seen it like this. I've never been out here when it's snowy. Coming up this hill, the right side is completely, oh, mosquitoes. The right side is gravel, But the left side is, mosquito. Dang, okay. Dang it, they're everywhere. Look at this, I just killed the mosquito right there. Like bears are just coming out of hibernation. They're probably super hungry. Moose are out here. It's just silent. Yes. There's a lake down there. Hello. This is kind of the cabin. Everything's closed up for the winter. I mean out there, oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty right now. So you can see the ice is melting from the shoreline, but out there in the middle, it's still pretty thick. Yeah, that's cool. So peaceful and beautiful out here. You guys are seeing like a real Alaskan day. We got the moose poop. We went to the cabin. This is more steep than it looks on camera. Give it 2 weeks time, all of this will be green and beautiful. All right, I just filmed a really cool portion of the main channel video that probably hasn't gone up yet. It's gonna go up in a few weeks. Involved this road right here. Super important, super interesting. One of my favorite roads in Alaska, and you'll find out why if you watch the video. Oh my gosh, that is a big bump right there. Wanna see something that you only see in Alaska?
Hoarders.
This is no joke. Check this out. There's a trail that leads to their house. That's some impressive hoarding right there.
Oh.
Thank you for watching this video, a day from Alaska. Tomorrow we have the most important day, the reason that we came up here today. And I love bringing you along, even though I'm alone right now in the car. I can see some of you people that are from Alaska that are watching, and you're like, that's my hometown. I've been on that road. I've been to Harding Lake. And I just love that. I love that about YouTube. So please let me know in the comments what way this video meant something to you, or something that you thought was interesting. And I'm gonna read those. I do read them, even though I don't respond to every single one of them. But let me know what you think. Like, what have you enjoyed over the last week from our vlogs and that you'd like to see? And if you haven't liked the vlogs and you don't want us to vlog anymore and just do other type of videos, let me know too. That's all right. I love your feedback. It's super helpful. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.